Ladies and gentlemen, welcome to the open house. My name is Omar Es Said. I'm a professor of mechanical engineering and the director of the graduate program of the mechanical engineering. Uh, our program is very versatile. We have over 60 pieces of equipment in our labs, and these are things which help people who want to do a thesis to have a variety of topics to work with. Our program serves engineers seeking to advance their careers, and we offer classes which are professionally rigorous and convenient. We have many people from industry who teach our classes from Northrop Grumman and Boeing and JPL and other places, which they give the industry taste for our coursework. And our times are very flexible to accommodate the needs of both working professionals and full-time graduate students, meaning that our classes start after 6 p.m. So they are once a week from 6 to 9 or 6:30 to 9:30. There is, like I indicated before, a strong emphasis on industry relevance and flexibility to accommodate the schedules of working professionals in industry. We also have very small class sizes. Rarely we have a class which have more than 20 students. Usually we have 20 students or less. Our faculty members who teach in the mechanical engineering department also have extensive industry experience. For example, for me, I have 27 years of industry experience with the Navy and with many companies around Los Angeles and even in the East. And one of the good things about our program is that LMU is strategically located close to Silicon Beach and companies in the aerospace industry and in the defense industry. For admission to the master's program, the student have to have a graduate, have to have an undergraduate degree in mechanical engineering with a GPA of 3.0 or better. For engineers who apply to us and they are not mechanical engineers, like chemical engineers, like electrical engineers, like civil engineers, then these people have to take 5 undergraduate classes: mechanics of materials, dynamics, thermodynamics, fluid mechanics, and heat transfer, and they have to obtain a B average or higher as a conditional requirement to carry on in the master's program. The program requirements is a student has to take 30 semester hours, 10 courses. One course is obligatory, which is MEC 604, which is engineering mathematics. Then the other 9 classes, the student would take them from a variety of 500 and 600 level classes. 4 of these 9 must be at the 600 level. And these will cover things like propulsion and turbo machinery and materials engineering and rapid prototype and thermal sciences. So it's a variety of courses. Additionally, one elective in another engineering department may be taken with the consent of the program director, meaning if a student would like to take a class in system engineering or in civil engineering or in electrical engineering, they are allowed to take one class and we will count it towards the MS degree. If a student decides to do a thesis, then two classes are going to be counted as 600 level classes, and they are going to be taken over 2 semesters, and they will be covering the thesis. It covers, of course, at the beginning, the student chooses the problem, chooses the committee, chooses the advisor, starts working on the program, and then at the end of the second semester, they defend their thesis after they finish their experiment or the theoretical work. We have a special case for our undergraduate students, a program which we call 4+1 program, which is a combined BS and MS degree. Students graduating from LMU can take 2 graduate classes in the summer after graduating with the BS from LMU. They can take one course during each summer session, meaning one course in summer session 1 and one course in summer session 2. Then they can take 4+3 graduate classes, meaning 7 classes in the fall and spring semesters of the 5th year. So they will be graduating with a total of 9 classes, not like the regular masters with 10 classes, only 9 classes beyond the BS degree, meaning that one less than the regular graduate degree. We're going to take one of the 500 level classes that they took during their bachelor degree, and we're going to count it for their master's degree. So they can take 27 units of coursework, or if they decided to do a thesis, then they will take 21 units of coursework and 6 units of thesis work. Of course, this is in addition to the current requirement of 500 level classes, which are required from them in the senior year for the undergraduate students. The faculty members' areas of specialization for teaching and for thesis and research are rapid prototype 3D printing, Dr. Rafiq Nourani, biomedical engineering, Dr. Brendan Smith, thermal systems, Dr. Masa Ibrahim, design and manufacturing, Dr. Matt Sinowski, renewable energy, Dr. Emin Isakian, material science and engineering, myself, and dynamic systems and controls, Dr. Natalie Sharp. So the graduate degree requirements once the student is enrolled is to maintain a minimum cumulative GPA of 3.0 or a B level and above for all coursework. And a maximum of 4 courses may be taken in any given semester. We really don't like having a student take 4 classes because it is really going to be a very heavy load. Usually we like the students to take 3 classes maximum. However, legally, they can take 4 if they can tolerate it. And the student must meet with the program director, which is me, if they are interested in completing an MS thesis. Finally, there are graduate assistants. Some of them are merit-based and some of them are need-based. And this is something that they can talk to me or to Dr. Nazmul Ullah, the Associate Dean of Engineering. So to summarize, I'm the program director. My name is Omar S. Saeed, and my contact information is shown here. Thank you.